Hi guys, it's Mrs. Dean. I have your overview for week 4, so it's going to take us from April 20th to April 24th. So we have a 5-day week this week. So for math, we're going to be finishing up multiplying fractions. So on Monday, we're going to be learning how to multiply mixed numbers. So for our Monday, we have this worksheet. And that is page 473. So we'll do our Zoom every day this week actually. So Monday I'll go over what you need to know for this worksheet. And then on Tuesday, you guys will follow up with this worksheet. You will not have to do number 14. So you can skip number 14 on Tuesday. We're gonna go ahead and skip that, and it's just practicing multiplying mixed numbers against mixed numbers, or also mixed numbers by whole numbers. So we'll talk about that this week. And then for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're gonna do something a little bit different. It's going to be all story problems, which I know you all love so much. But we are going to be doing real world math problems. And these math problems are all multiplying fractions and mixed numbers, and they have to do with building a doghouse. So the cover of it looks like this. It's a 6-page packet. So we're gonna do 2 pages a day. And what I thought would be best to offer is that for our Zoom meets, that's what our lesson will be, is that we'll do the 2 worksheets together each day. And so you'll have me there to help you along the way. If you want to do them on your own, totally fine. That's up to you. But if you would like some help, we can solve them together every day, 11 o'clock on Zoom. So every day, Monday through Friday this week, we will have a Zoom lesson live. So for Wednesday, you'll do the first 2 pages. So the first one looks like this. And the second looks like this. Kind of getting a plan in place. And then on Thursday, we talk about how you would make a model house, so making it smaller than the actual size of a real dog house. Thursday, we'll also talk about how much or how many supplies it will need. And then on Friday, we'll finish with the building of the doghouse and fixing any errors that might come up. Okay, so that will actually take us to the end of multiplying fractions. The following week, I think I'm going to teach a quick lesson on how to multiply fractions, but you can actually cancel them out ahead of time, which would prevent you from having to simplify at the end. But that's going to be like an optional thing because it may confuse a lot of my kiddos. So it's just going to be like if you want to see it, but you don't ever really have to use it, but it will help others who are pretty quick with their multiplication facts. So it's going to be there, but next week we dive into dividing fractions. And again, it's easy. It's just as easy as the multiplying has been, so no need to worry about that. And then after that, we're going to have to decide where we're going to go. Could go to algebra, we could go into measurement. Measurement might be a little hard because we're not together and I don't know what resources you have at home with you. So we'll kind of figure that out. So that's it for math this week, pretty easy. So 2 days of multiplying mixed numbers and then 3 days of doing real world math problems having to do with multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Every day Zoom meet, 11 o'clock with me, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Typically is a half hour, could go to an hour. I always stay on if anyone has more questions. So if there's anything you guys need help with or have any questions, please don't forget to reach out to me using that communication button on PowerSchool. That's how you can message me or any of your teachers directly. Parents, you know, you can get a hold of us on Dojo anytime. We're starting our very last grading period, guys, so let's make this a great one. I hope you guys had a really good weekend, and I look forward to getting started on Monday. Take care.